All right, class, welcome to video number 2 for Chasing the Blues Away, measures 1 through 4. This video is going to focus on the left hand. All right, so remember, in piano, this symbol right here where you're looking at my yellow mouse arrow, this is called a bass clef, also known as an F clef. And this symbol represents all of the notes that we're going to play with our left hand most of the time, especially in this song. It's going to represent all of the notes we're going to play with our left hand. Okay, this is your left hand. All right, right hand here, left hand here. Remember, the way you know your left hand is if you hold your hand out like this, your left hand makes the L with your index finger and your thumb. Okay. So this is your left hand, just in case you didn't know. Now, we are going to play what we call a C chord. All right, this is a C chord. Now, a chord is defined as a group of notes of 3 or more notes. Anytime you're playing a group of 3 or more notes, that is a chord. Anytime you play just 2 notes together, that is an interval. So 2 notes does not constitute a chord. A chord is when you have 3 or anything greater than 3. That's a chord. So we're going to learn the C major chord. All right. If you don't know this, then you're going to learn it. And if you know it, then awesome. You're ahead of the game. Okay. So this second space in the bass clef for the left hand, this is the C right here. So we got our middle C here. We're going to take our left pinky finger and play the lower C, okay? And now the whole note right above that C is an E. We're going to play that E with the middle finger. So C and E, and then right above the E is your G. All right, so we call this the C major chord. This is a C major chord. Now, for measures 1 through 4, all we have is the C major chord, but we're going to play it in different timing or a different rhythm. So here we have whole notes, and a whole note means we're going to hold this for 4 beats or count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do that again here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these dark notes right here with 1 stem, these are quarter notes, so they get 1 count. 1. Then right here is a quarter rest. That means we don't play anything with the left hand. Then we play the quarter notes again. 1. Then we rest again. Then we have our quarter notes again. And now we have here the same C chord, but it's going to be 8th notes. So we're going to do 1 and, or we play it twice, but we count it like 1 and. Okay? 1 and. But here it's going to be 1, 2, and 3. Because this is the 1 in this measure. We're counting 1, 2, and 3. And then 4, we're going to rest. So we're not playing anything on the 4th beat. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Got it? All right. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and go into play mode. We're going to play this in rhythm 5 times. All right. You ready? Go ahead and make sure your hand is in position. Again, left pinky on C. Left middle finger on E, left thumb on G. So you're skipping the ring finger and the index finger. All right, let's do our repetitions. We're going to play it 5 times. Remember now, you don't move on from this video until you play this in sync with what I'm doing. That means at the same time, you play it at the same time in rhythm with me. And you got to play it correctly all 5 times before you move on. Excuse me. Had to sneeze there. Here we go.
1, 2, set, go.
play best. All right, so that's number 1. All right, these next 4, I'm not going to speak. I'm just going to play it, and you follow along.
1, 2, set, go.
All right, number 3.
1,
This is the 3rd time.
2,
Sorry about that.
set, go.
All right, number 4.
1, 2, set, go.
All right, and the 5th and final time.
1, 2, set, go.
All right. So remember, play that all 5 times correctly before we move on. Once you're able to play that all 5 times correctly, then you're ready to move on to the next video where we will put this left hand and the right hand part we did in the previous video together. All right. Thank you.